Hi guys, this video I show you how to get the pop-up help in text on the input field and anywhere on the website using the GSAP ScrambleText. Right, we need to go to this. Someone is going to this field. I need to show in when I'm moving through the mouse over, then I need to show the help in text. This is type your name, like select your age range, and type your address on this format like things. What we need to do on the Webflow, the new introduced the GSAP support internally on their platform. That's why we can easily do that. First I need to create the cursor. What we need to do, we are going to on the top of the body section, I will put the div element. I get it on the top and I name it as help text. Okay, now we need to set up some modification on here. What we need to do, this we need to set the position is fixed, and we need to set up is the top left. Okay, and on here on the help text we need add some padding on both sides. I use the top is 5, its bottom is 5 and 10. I given the 20, in here also 20. Okay, now it's coming like this, and inside this we need to add some paragraph. Okay, help. Okay, this is the text. I need to set its height 1 and color is white, and we need to this not showing because we need to set this on higher index value, like 400, and text. Okay, now I set the background color on the helps text div. I go there and select some background color. Nice, and we need to set the text is center, and also this text also we need to, it's also already in the center. Yeah, everything good. And I put some round corners, 200 like things. Let's get round, and I given the minimum width 120, then let's get some larger value. Okay, now we set up the help text, and we need to add some transition on we need to first the default opacity we need to set it's 0% and it's not appear. And also transition, the opacity we given 200 and is in out. Set down now this one. It's nice, and then it's not appear. But what we need to do when I move the mouse going there and there and there, we need to appear the help in text with the input field. Okay, now we need to add the custom code element in the top. I already add there, and I will share all the script and the CSS part on the comment section, on the description section. You can copy that things easily and paste and do the changes. I will show you how to do the changes. Okay, this is the style part. Okay, now we are given the the body has the data cursor. This is the data cursor, mean the attributes. I will show you how to set up the attribute on this data cursor. And when body has this data cursor, we need to appear the hover effect on this element. We change this element to div element. Its name, the class name is helpText. Okay, and it's appear on opacity 1%. Okay, now all good. And also we need to add some script on the before the body on the page. Here's the script. We need GSAP mini JS in, and also the ScrambleText plugin also we need, right? On here we need to add this code and do the changes on here. I will share that and I will explain what is that. On here we need to select the GSAP we need to set on this element. The cursor to mean this we need to change as a help text. Okay, and this x present and y present in where on the when we are moving the mouse, where the mouse point where that message box appear, in the bottom of the mouse point or top of the anywhere we can adjust the value, and we can do the we can fix the position of this pop-up helping text, right? I put the value on 20 and 50. It's get something bottom and bottom right side on the helping text is happy, right? We can change those value and we can check what is happening on there, right? You can do when you're testing on that things. I change all the classes on here. This animation is appear it's going the opacity, the duration of the animation appear is the 0.6. That's mean within 0.6 second the animation will be appear, right? Okay, now and also this part is for the moving the our helping text with the mouse, but we need to set up that attribute on there. First we set up the attribute, then we are come into this code part, right? Okay, first I save that. I go and here in the input field I put the new attribute. It's called data cursor. Yeah, you can given any name, but we need to change that on the code after that. Type your name. Select your, so on here data cursor, select your age range, here we need to data cursor attribute, type your address, I think. Yeah, we set up all the attribute on here, and also on here you see when we move into this element, you see the in the top left corner the text is appear. When I go here, text is appear. Here also the text is appear. But what we need to do on this attribute setup, then we need to move to the code section on the bottom. This called we need to get all the links related to the data cursor on here. Then it's collect all the data cursor values on this page, right? Then we need to set up the variable on the text. It's get the data cache value, and we need to add that value to each we reach the each element, right? Now this is the help text. Inside the help text we have the paragraph. Okay, if we have the h1, we need to given the what is the element we use, right? Okay, I use the paragraph. Then we need to call the ScrambleText on the GSAP, and we set up it's get this text value. Okay, then also we need to change the speed. This default we set the 1%, and everything is good. I will send all the code on the description section. You can copy and paste, right? It's easily only you just need to only change these classes related to what you create on there. Okay, then all the changes is done. And also the attribute we use the data cursor. If you change the attribute's name, you also modify these things, right? And also you have to do the changes on here, and yeah, everything is good. Now we can save, and let's publish the page, and we can check how it's work. Okay, now it's disappear. When we move into here, you say type your name, select your age range, type your address. That's like things. Yeah, it's very easy to understand, and if you're using some form or some larger form, advanced one, you need the help in text on there, you can use this method. It's very easy and very smooth animation on there. That's all. I think you can subscribe our channel and given to help to grow with some new tutorial. Also, I think we can do some lot of GSAP animation what we can use on the Webflow, and everything I easily upload here for you understand. Thank you.